Echo is an example of reflection, or the return of sound waves. It depends on the surface in which the sound encounters to determine the intensity of the echo.
Sound travels through a medium and is carried by energy. When that wave is interfered by a surface, that surface either reflects it, creating an echo, or absorbs it. In the Grand Canyon, the sound waves bounce off the canyon walls and are projected back to you so you hear your voice a second time or multiple times. The angle at which your voice encounters the surface equals the angle at which it is reflected back to you, or the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection.
Reverberation is multiple echoes created by multiple reflections of sound. An example of this would be in the shower, like this, when you're surrounded by a hard, smooth surface like tile. When you project your voice, like this, you can hear echoes all around you, multiple echoes, and that is reverberation.
Dolphins use reflection to help hunt their prey and communicate with each other. This is called echolocation. Dolphins can emit high ultrasonic squeaks that will travel through the water and bounce off objects and come back to them. This will allow them to figure out where objects are in relation to them. For example, if I was a dolphin and I wanted to locate Jackie, I would emit a high ultrasonic squeak like this. And it would travel through the water and bounce off Jackie and come back to me. And as a dolphin, I would be able to tell where Jackie is.
Finding the balance between absorption and reverberation of sound is vital in finding the best acoustics, especially in a theater. Reverberation can be heard when you sing in the shower. Your voice sounds full and lively, but doesn't result in the best quality. Absorption is necessary so that the voice can be heard clearly without extensive echoing. Often, a curved mirror or surface that reflects sound is hung on the ceiling of the theater for the audience to receive maximum sound quality. The architecture and material in the building is used to find the balance between absorption by using softer surfaces and reverberation by using harder, more reflective surfaces.
Refraction is the change in frequency of a wave as it passes through different mediums. The pitch, or frequency, should change caused by the differences in wave speed. For example, when I hit this tuning fork with tape, it sounds like this. But when I hit it again and I put it to the table, you can hear the difference in pitch.
Due to extreme amounts of temperature change in the ocean, submarines can sometimes go unnoticed. When ultrasonic frequencies are sent into the ocean to track underwater movement, the sound waves bend because of the change in temperature in the water, causing the sound waves to distort and avoid the submarine. Sound waves travel faster in warm water and slower in cold water.